Throughout my development of 3D printed engines, I've used design improvements and better material selection to build increasingly powerful engines. To facilitate the next improvement, I've built a machine. The machine is a lathe. A lathe is a machine that rotates the workpiece against a fixed cutting tool. The cutting tool can be precisely positioned to remove a measured amount of material from the workpiece. The base of the machine is a 40cm length of 45 by 90 aluminium extrusion. The motor and all of the electrical components are from a corded hand drill. They're contained within a printed housing that aligns the motor's axis of rotation to the slots in the base of the machine. Allowing for linear motion parallel with this axis of rotation are two linear rails, and for perpendicular motion a single rail is used. Lead screws aligned with these rails allow for precise positioning along the length of each rail. For the perpendicular lead screw, a scale is fitted to measure the position of the cutting tool relative to the workpiece. The cutting tool is clamped to a flat surface such that the tip of the tool intersects the axis of the spindle. The workpiece is coupled to the motor by a part that matches the shape of the motor output and the shape of the part being machined. To create a part, in this instance a piston, is first printed as usual, but with its outermost diameter oversized by 0.5 millimeter. Then it's fitted to the motor output and machined to the finished size. To show the utility of the lathe, here are 3 pistons. The one on the left has come straight off a printer. The one in the middle has been sanded to size using a hand drill, and the one on the right has been machined using the lathe. Taking measurements at 3 points around the diameter of each part, we can assess the roundness of the piston. I look forward to making the next engine with this lathe. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.